my grandparents and okay. So my grandparents invited me to clean their day and night for them. So we took off this. This is the coil guard here. This goes right here. See? That's the coil guard. So we took off the coil guard already. And I'm going to clean it. And since we can't get the disconnect open, the disconnect is locked, my grandpa's going to go flip the breaker for the unit, since the disconnect is inaccessible. So there it is running. It's going to shut off pretty soon. But it is pretty dirty, so I'm happy to clean it for them. So they asked me to clean it. So I'm going to be doing that. I have my brush and my straightener like I used on my temp star. Yeah, it is very dirty. So I'm just going to put the coil guard right here. There. There's the coil guard. I'm going to hose that down. Just wait for this to shut off. There it goes. There's the fan blades. So here it is off. 3 fan blades. There is the motor down there. There's the logo. And there is that old reciprocating compressor. The line is sweaty. You can hear the refrigerant sound in there. But yeah, very old, big reciprocating compressor. Look at that. Very cool. See that big reciprocating compressor down there? I don't know what brand it is. It's very interesting. It has 3 lines coming out of it. One right in the middle on the top, one right there, and then there's one right there. So yeah, very old recip. I don't know what brand it is, but yep, I'm gonna get head started. Start cleaning this unit. Oops. I'm gonna use my brush to get off all this main dirt first. Oh geez, that is very dusty.
Did the fan turn off that?
Yeah, I did.
Put the hose run over to you?
Sure. It's a very dirty unit. So I'm going to be getting this nice and clean for them. Get all this dust off of here. See, I'm getting it nice and clean. And look at that. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of this off camera. Okay. Condenser coil. Looks a lot better.
Want me to do it first?
Do what? No, I can do it. So the condenser coil looks better. I brushed the whole thing down. So now I'm going to start spraying.
We came running down there like, you never came down. You kept on watching the football game. No, there was the city.
I still hear buzzing coming from the unit, so... Oh, it's already on.
What are you doing? Get that TV. Get off that.
So, start spraying this down. Is this the only setting?
And I thought
Let me look at the sprayer real quick.
the other wire in order for it to be live. But
shoot, I've been filming this whole time. Yep, I'm just spraying down the thing. What I am concerned about is there doesn't appear to be a drain hole down in there. So water is just piling up. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video and start it. Okay, we ended up taking the top off of the unit. So here is the motor and fan blade assembly stuff. Those are the fan blades, and there's the inside of the grill right there. I don't know what kind of motor it is. There's no brand on the motor. But yeah, here are the fan blades and stuff. And here's the inside of the unit. There's that giant compressor right there. Big reciprocating compressor.
So, Graham,
There's the tag on it there.
Would it hurt to drill a hole down here in this corner where it's low?
What's happening over there?
well, I'm going to put a hole in that.
So there's that giant reciprocating compressor. I don't know what brand it is. Maybe an very old Tecumseh or something. But again, there's the tag. If anybody can read or decode or get any information off that. And then there's also this yellow sticker that says this compressor is part of a quality control something. And then there's only 2 lines. I was mistaken. I couldn't see this, but there's one line here that's just blocked off. But yeah, very, very old compressor. There's a very old reciprocating compressor. There's the terminal box. It's disgusting down there. And the coils are pretty bad too. So yeah, we're giving this unit a clean. There are the fan blades again. Pretty nice spin down time for the motor. The whole fan assembly came out. So yeah, that's the unit right now. Okay, we got most of the water out of the unit. We drilled a drain hole on the bottom there. There's the great big compressor again. This unit is a 2-ton, so that's a pretty big compressor for a 2-ton. Fan blades. So now I'm going to do some back flushing there and actually get to spray the coil from the inside. So I'm going to do that. See it coming through there? So I'm just going to do that off camera. Okay, I'm done cleaning the unit. The condenser looks a lot better. We put the coil guard back on. See? Put that back on. I did get quite a few dents out of the coils. It's not going to be perfect though. So he's going to go turn the breaker back on. You got to look at that compressor down there. It's a big reciprocating compressor. There's the logo. So yeah, I'm going to go turn it back on now. So we're just going to make sure it works. So I guess I'll just put this here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Okay, I'll just set that right there and it'll come on. And there it goes. It works. Focus. Here we go. It's running. Cool. All right. I cleaned my grandparents' day and night air conditioner. Looks a lot better. I'm thinking that's probably an old Tecumseh. It sounds like one. Very nice sound. I really like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed cleaning of my grandparents' day-night air conditioner. I think it looks a lot better now. Alright, out.